Hey everyone, and welcome back to the ARKA 360 VIP training experience. Today we're going to go into a little bit more of proposal building. We've kind of hit all of our milestones in the design tool, so now we're going to go into building the proposal. So once we're done here, we did everything we want to do. We did the inverter placing, 3D modeling, all that jazz. We're just going to hit save just for good luck. And then we're going to hit this button here, design. Now what this is going to do is this is going to actually take us into the design in ARKA. And it's not going to take us to that front page. It's going to take us into the design where we can click financials, batteries, everything like that. Um, so it's loading up the design. It's putting together all the calcs, the bill of materials, everything like that. So we can see here, it's a self-design, annual generation, system size, performance ratio, all of that here. Now we do have a battery module here. We'll do a walkthrough of that real quick. So there's two different ways to do it. You can either do self-consumption. So if they just want to run off the battery, what it does is you can say, I want to run off the battery for 11 and a half hours. Select the battery that you want to use. Um, there's no limit to what batteries you have. We just have the ones on here. So let's click Fortress Power. Let's do this one. And you can see, okay, so this is saying that we need a 14 kilowatt size battery. So now we can either pick a 14 kilowatt if we have it. This one's 18, just for educational purposes, we'll click that. So as you can see, it changed from yellow to black, meaning that it's good to go. So we can click calculate backup. Now this is going to show how long the house will actually run off this setup based off the critical load, the battery size, the number of panels, the usage, the consumption, everything like that. It'll give us that calculation here. Now let's say that we just want to do one for net metering, right? So we don't need this honking battery. Let's just do the one. There's a 9 kilowatt. If we click on advanced, this is going to open the net metering um, periods and tiers as we can see. So we can go down the list here, right? And as you can see, there's different tiers. You can click different, either charge from grid, discharge a load, charge from solar, charge from battery. So what we can do is we just find the most expensive one. So this is 68 cents. And we discharge to the grid. Have this from the battery. Calculate backup. There we go. We can have the battery here. So this is going to add this into the proposal as well as update the financial buyback. In states like California, where NEM 3 has been approved, we do need to have a battery on every system. So there's that. As you can see here, battery has been added to our bill of materials. It shows our modules, shows the modules for the power gazebo, shows the two different types of inverters. You can see the structure here. It says premium structure. That's for the racking and for the um, in Power Gazebo, we can add a component here. So if there's something else that you want to add for their bill of materials, you can put it into here, enter make, model, and quantity. You can always add a component in the settings. I'll show you how to do that as well. But now we can click add pricing and financing. So we're not limited to who you want to use. If you want to use PPAs, loans, leases, cash, whatever, through whatever provider, send us the spec sheets or the product sheets and we'll upload them into you. So let's just say we want to do price. You can either do just a flat dollar amount per watt or per kilowatt. Let's just do watt and let's say 380. Sales tax, if we want to add it, let's say 10%. Calculate. This is going to show us the calculations. However, we want to price the power gazebo. Let's see. There we go. Okay, so with our incentives, they already have the federal ITC. We can either create an incentive, this will take us to the incentives page, or we can select an incentive and we have all of these pulling up. So if you have an incentive in your area or you as a company are doing, just let us know. We'll build it for you and we'll show you how to build it. All you need to do is click add and it'll automatically do the calculations for you. Adders and discounts, again, if there's a specific adder that you need to put in there, if there is a discount that you're specifically doing, you can put it into there. Advanced pricing is going to show you the financial analysis if you want to do that as well. Um, if you want to click financing, this will bring you into the finance page offerings. So again, let's just do a loan. Let's just do this Good Leap offer that is in here. Um, it'll run the calculations for you. So here we go. Pricing. Okay, all done. Click calculate just to make sure. Okay, good to go. Back to our design. And now it's going to load everything for you. So after this, I'm going to show you how to do the proposal. We have a web version and a document proposal. Both are cool and have some special features in their own right. I'll show those to you as well in the next clip. So again, if you have any questions, if you want to schedule a one-on-one demo, please click the link below to my calendar and we can set something up. Thank you so much for watching these videos and stay tuned for more.